Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today in this video I am going to discuss clearly about four topics in sum, which is sum if, sum if else and sum product. In this video we are going to discuss deeply about these four and what are the difference between each and everything, how this if is incorporated with the sum and sum product function is used. I request everyone not to skip any part of this video so that you will not miss any piece of information about each and every functions which we are discussing in this video. Let's start with the today's video session. The very first one which we are going to start is with the sum function. So this sum function will, if you type, it will says or add all the numbers in the range of cells. So it will add up on all the values in the range which is we are going to give it or select it. So I am keep pressing on the tab, and either you can give one or two numbers or you can select the whole range which is our column. Click on close the bracket and hit enter. You can see the total sum value of this particular total price is added over here. So now in case if I want to particularly to calculate the value of any product, what I can do? So that's where I am going to use the sum and if logical function together to get the value of that particular product or the category. So here in this example I am going to take the range is my city. I want to find Boston city's sales, right? So I have given the range as city column and criteria is Boston, and my sum range is my total price. Closing the bracket and hit enter. I'll get only values of Boston city's total value. So to verify, I'm going to filter it manually. For the Boston city, the value which we got is 13266, and I'm going to check it by there, and you can see we got the value of 132.123.265.53, which is rounded as 13266. So this is for single condition. Suppose in case if I want to do it for multiple criteria, what I can do? So you can go with the sum if else condition, where it will help us to use multiple criteria for that particular function. So if you want to know much more difference about if else and if error, we have discussed those details in the previous video, which is clearly discussing about if function. I have provided that particular video link in our iCard. You can go ahead and watch it to know the difference between all the if function available in Excel. Let's now start with sum if else. Equal to sum if else, and if you see the syntax, initially it asks us to select the sum range, but in sum if it asks us to select the sum range at the last, but here we are going to use it at the first. Sum range comma my criteria range 1 is category. So in this category, my first category I have to see for the bars, and it is from the city of the same. I am going to take it as a Boston. In Boston city, I want to know what is the bars which is completely sold. So which the value is 3319.99, which is almost 3320. So this gives me clear cut information about deep analysis on the Boston city and for the category of bars. Now let's start with the fourth one, which is very important and trickier first as well, which is the sum product. So what this sum product will do is it will return the sum of the products corresponding to the ranges and arrays. If you want to give it the values in the arrays, and it will take us and give us the values and using the sum and product. So first I need to give the array, right? For that you can directly select the array, and my array 2 is total price. Close the bracket and hit enter. You will get the sum product for those two values. So this is how the sum product will work. It will first sum the values and then multiplies the values. Hope you have understood this concept about sum if us and some product. If you have any doubt in this video, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. And if you need detailed case study of some product, please write to us. We'll happy to create a video and upload it for you. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.